There we go. Forgot to turn that music down, y'all. My bad. We are back. TK from Profit Takers. We are about to do another live session. Right now, we are looking to see what's exactly going on with US 30. Give me a moment. Let me pull it up. Okay, here we go. So at US 30, we caught this sale. At this point, we're trying to wait to see how price is going to respond down here at this area. See if we can get a reversal. Right now, we have a retest of this high right here that was broken in the market. Let's see how price responds right here at this area. We're gonna look to take a buy from here. Caught quite a few sales on US 30 in this drawdown right here. Let me put this order in on the terminal really quick. Now the area that we're looking at on US 30, we just entered this buy. The area that we're looking at a retest of is actually, this is a daily, all the way up here. So if this thing holds out, that's a beautiful 1 to 15. Now let me show you why I'm interested in that sell. I'm sorry, in that buy to retest that level. Normally when you see these areas of consolidation formed within the market, like this area right here, wherever you see that break of structure, in most cases price will always come back to retest that area before continuing that downtrend. This concept is the exact reason I took my original US 30 sell and we got a crazy move to the downside. Okay, we got a 1 to 27 as far as the risk reward on that sell. I exited my last position right here, but it dropped a little lower to retest this previous level of structure right here, this key level. So this is where we are right now. If this key level holds as a valid area of support, we will definitely see a bounce from here. It captured all of the stop losses in the area. Let me get rid of that stuff. Okay, cool. So now all of that is done. Let's clear up the charts. Yeah, so now we want to see a retest of this high here to see what happens. Once we get there, if price starts to consolidate underneath it, there's a good chance that we could see a break above. But one thing we want to keep in mind, we have equal highs right underneath it. Normally when you see setups like this in the market, it'll turn out the exact way this move turned out. Now let me go to a smaller time frame so you can see it a little clearer. So I just told you guys, when you're looking for highs at the reversals, consolidation will be formed, price will pull back to retest that area, and then it will drop. So I'm going to delete this, and show you. Let me use this replay tool and go back a bit. So we're gonna go about right here. So this is what made me interested in this level. I'm looking at what's going on structurally with price. These are the highs that I was telling you about on the smaller time frame. With this being a 4-hour, you got a lot of rejections in here. So that's your consolidation area. Right here, this is where price broke. This is what I noticed. Price started to consolidate right underneath that structural level. So when I see this, the only thing that I look for, or that I think about, is market manipulation. Everybody that's looking for the sales that are scalpers, they're looking to protect their positions. They entered this. If they did not close at the lows, they have their trades at break even. Or some people that entered late, they may have been expecting this gap to act as resistance and price to continue to fall. All of the traders that fit in either of those categories, all of their stop losses are placed in this area. I've been noticing this for a while, so let's move it a little forward. Okay, look at price. It reaches up, captures all of those stop losses just to hit that level. Fall, hit my TP1. We got to pull back to retest that trend line, and then this thing continued to fall again to hit the other TP that I had set. And every time that I saw a pullback, I just added to this position, but it was using a basic concept of identifying consolidation right here, waiting to get a break beneath or above that consolidating area. Then I waited for a retest to enter this trade. Okay, hold on a second. Guy on YouTube said he said no when his friend told him to buy Apple in 2016. He regretted his life choices. Yeah, I bet. But it's okay. I wouldn't be upset, man, because once you understand how price moves in the market, you'll always have those same type of opportunities. So the trade setup that we're discussing right now, it's a 1 to 32 risk reward setup. So that means and we got two sales on it. So one was 1 to 32, the other one was 1 to 27. $10 would have been $320. That 100 would have been $3,200. Same thing here. That $10 would have brought you $270 if you would have took those trade setups. Or that 100 is 27. So let me go ahead and close this out. So we caught this entire move, and right now we are just testing this area to see how price responds. Got you. Now, the same way that we identified the reversal at the highs, let me delete this. That's the same concept. Do I trade gold? Yes, I do. That's the same concept we're going to use with this trade here. Before we really get too excited about catching this reversal, we want to see price begin to consolidate. I trade everything, man. It's all the same. It is all the same. We want to see consolidation. After that, we're going to trap price. If it's going to go up, in most cases, we'll see this break above. From there, we want to enter in on this retest to take this US 30 buy. And we'll be able to hold this thing for a couple of weeks, man. For the fall, I think it took about 4 weeks to get all the way down here. Let's see. That's another reason top-down analysis is so important. You have to understand how long these moves that you guys are looking for could possibly take. And if you ever want to learn or figure out how long that may take, just count the candlesticks. So this took 1, 2, 3, 4 candlesticks on a weekly to reach this level, so about a month. So when you're looking for this retracement, if you're looking to hold it as far as a swing trade, you need to understand that there's a possibility that it can be the exact amount of candlesticks that it took to get down, if not more. So it could be at least a month or maybe two before this thing gets all the way up here. But some people hear that and say, oh man, that's too long. What are you doing where you can't let the trade run and let your money make money for you? Absolutely nothing. So we're gonna come back on Thursday because normally on Wednesday we get, like I said, a lot of choppy movement or consolidation. So we're gonna wait and just simply set an alert here and set an alert at the top of this key level. And we'll come back once price finishes doing this thing. That's cool. Because one thing we need to see this 200-day EMA get closer to price on the 15-minute. Normally when those things happen, that's where you get that pop. So let me show you the same thing but in reverse. So when I looked for that sell, after trapping price and doing all of that good stuff, the thing that I waited for was our EMAs to catch up on the smaller time frame. Give me 1 second, let me tighten this up. All right, cool. So right here, so when you're looking for these reversals, I want you guys to keep this in mind. Keep this in mind. So right here, you see this, guys? This is the same zone, but look at how far the 200-day EMA was. So you got a lot of playing around until the EMA got closer to price. Then you started to get that move. So we just want to be patient and use those alerts. I say this a lot. Using those alerts in the market to save you from overtrading, really. Identify key levels, and what I mean by key levels, you have to find the levels on the higher time frames where you see the most rejections. In this case, we dropped underneath this key level. We had a lot of rejections right here. And I actually put my targets beneath this level because I just told you guys about stop hunting. It's a real thing. The market is man-made and man-manipulated. So anytime you see places where you got multiple tests like that, the market will drop either beneath or rise above those levels. Uh-oh, hold on a second. Let me cut that ad off. It'll drop beneath or above those levels to capture all of the stop losses, and then it'll move in the opposite direction. So that's what we are waiting for here. Sammy, I appreciate that follow. That's what we're waiting for here, to see that same exact thing happen. Okay. So all of these touches makes this level of interest, and we are just going to wait. But most of these setups today will all be in consolidation. Thursday, we should get a little more movement, which is what you would expect. Normally those reversals, I want you guys to start back testing this stuff yourself so you can see. When it comes to reversals, they normally happen around Tuesday or Thursday. So look at this. This impulsive move right here, that was a reversal of trend. Look at it. If you look straight down at the bottom, that happened on Tuesday. I start seeing this shit. I'm like, oh, okay. I had the right move, but I was trading on the wrong day. Let's see this one right here. This move, this was going up. This is the reversal. When did that happen? It started Tuesday. So anything I tell you guys, I'm going to go to the chart and show you. But that'll be it for today, man. I appreciate you guys for hopping on. We are just going to wait. We're trapping price. We do this to stay out our own way. Now, we hop on and share our trade setups, and not just the things that we chart. We share the trade setups, and we execute them right in front of you guys. For those that want to trade with us and you don't know where to begin, you can head to our website, ProfitTakerZU.com. Let me copy this site and drop it in the group. I am going to post it on TikTok and Facebook. I'm going to show you how to set up your accounts for free. Show you how to set up your demo account, your live account, teach you how to place your trades, monitor your trades, and give you a complete trading plan. That way, when you see me online, you'll be able to trade with me and practice. Put in exactly what you see me putting in. I share the coordinates, and then from there, you'll be able to practice and see for yourself. You gotta see this for yourself. Don't take my word for it. Try it for free. Outside of that, along with that Trading Essentials bundles, you guys will get the mindsets, the free trial to our mindset series. Struction. Hold on a second. How many years have I been trading? I've been trading 6 years now. But yeah, trading is extremely psychological, and this is an aspect that most people skip. They want to give everybody the technical side of trading, but the technicals don't propel you or keep you away from that success. It's only about what you are willing to do or what you can't do mentally. So that's our focus here. We focus on the mindset first, and after people develop comfortability with navigating yourself and controlling your own impulses, then we put you in the market. So understanding the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with that mindset series, along with our 6-week journal, which will help you become more intentional with your words. That's our way of preparing you before we sit you in front of the monster. Too many traders, they lose trade setups and they speak terribly about themselves, and it creates anxiety when it's time to enter in your next trade setup. So I trade for free just so you can see the accuracy of the trades, but when it comes to joining the team, this is the process. We also got merch, so you guys support the vision, support the dream, and to join us, you can get the beginner bundle or upgrade to tier 2. But as always, you guys remember, you're one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same?